Hello, I'll do experiment about a volcano. First, you'll need vinegar, red colored ink, and baking soda. These are the people who are running away from volcanoes. First, you put the baking soda, the vinegar in the volcano. Then you put the red ink. Then you put the baking soda. Until now, there's no difference. What will you think when I put baking soda in the volcano? Let's see. This is what happens when I put baking soda in the vinegar and red ink. It explodes. The people is saying, "Ah!"